Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. My name is Katora and this is my mess. In this video, we're going to fix that. So let's just jump right into the project. The general vibe I'm trying to achieve while recreating my art room is something like this. Cottagecore with a little more storage. I've also been getting a lot of my inspiration from these two lovely creators for this project. But before we get to deck or anything, we're gonna have to clean up this mess first and repair the walls. So what was supposed to be a very simple patch and repair job for the walls has turned into, we might as well repaint the whole room while we're at it. This project is quickly turning into If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. If you are unfamiliar with this delightful little book, it's about a mouse that gets a cookie, obviously, but the mouse keeps asking for more and more throughout the book. And this is what my project has turned into. If I'm doing this, I might as well do that, and the list just keeps growing. Which is a long-winded way to say that I'm just painting the walls a darker shade of green. When updating my art studio, one of the big things I wanted to accomplish out of this project is give myself more workspace. So off camera, Patrick made a new and larger tabletop for me. Now all I have to do is finish it and give it that whimsical touch. To stain the wood, I started with a pre-stain, then I did one coat of gunstock and then 2 coats of dark walnut, and I finished that up with some polyurethane. For a little touch of whimsy, I decided to paint lunar moths and flowers on the side of the table. While I am painting the table, could you do me a favor and hit that like button? And if you really are feeling adventurous, hit that subscribe button while you're there. And if you're hungry for more content similar to this, we now have over 200 videos available on our channel for your viewing pleasure. In the background, 2 new shelves were made, and I also decided to refinish my little table my grandfather made for me many moons ago. I left a few blemishes of past projects and stained it the same way I stained the big table. With the table in place and the shelves up, it is time to decorate. I have a bunch of old boxes and a few small trunks from my fine art show days that would make perfect storage containers for my art supplies. For my acrylic paints, I will be hanging them on the wall with some clothespins and some twine. Now for my craft paints, I think the best course of action for this will be to put them in a crate and then hang the crate on the wall. I would like to thank you again for watching this video, and I hope this has inspired you to go out and create a space that inspires you to make something. My name is Katora, I am one of the nerds here, and I will see you next time. Now let's check out the final result.